Question number 74. In a society, it is customary for friends of the same sex to hug and for friends of opposite sex to shake hands when they meet. A group of friends met in a party and there were 24 handshakes. Which one among the following numbers indicate the possible number of hugs? Here we have four options. So in this society, same sex people, when they meet, they have to hug, and opposite sex people, when they meet, they have to do shake hands. Then in a party, there were 24 handshakes. Then what is the possible number of hugs in that party? So to find that, first we have to find how many opposite sex people are required to have 24 handshakes. Based on that data, we will find possible number of hugs. If there are m number of men and w number of women, then if number of men equal to 1 and women equal to 24, then this man can do handshake with all these women. Then 24 handshakes will be there. Then if there are 2 men and 12 women, then each man can do handshake with each woman. Then there will be 2 into 12, 24 handshakes. Similarly, 3 men and 8 women, there will be 3 into 8, 24 handshakes. Then 4 men and 6 women, there will be 24 handshakes. Now, we got the number of men and women combinations. Now let us see the possible number of hugs. If there are 4 men and 6 women, these 4 men we can we can make a group of 2 in 4C2 ways, because in a hug there will be 2 people. Then 6 person can have hug in 6C2 ways. Then calculating value of 4C2 plus 6C2, let us see whether that value is matching with any of this option. If it is not matching, we will find 3C2 plus 8C2 or 2C2 plus 12C2, and any of these values matching with any of this option, that will be our answer. So 4C2 equal to, combination equation we know, NC2 equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial NCR, n minus r factorial into r factorial. Using this equation, 4C2 equal to 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2, 2 factorial into 2 factorial plus 6C2 equal to 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 factorial equal to 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Simplifying this, we get 4 factorial, we can write as 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial equal to 2. Then 2 factorial cancelled. These 2 2's are 4. So 4C2 equal to 2 into 3, 6. Plus 6 factorial equal to 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial equal to 2. 4 factorial cancelled. 2 3's are 6. 3 into 5. So 4C2 equal to 4C2 equal to, we got 2 into 3, 6 plus 6C2 equal to 3 into 5, 15. So total number of hugs equal to 6 into 15, 6 plus 15, that is equal to 21. So see here, option C equal to 21. So possible number of hugs equal to 21. Then when we are calculating 3C2 plus 6C2, we get value as 31, which is not in this option. 3C2 plus 8C2 equal to 31. Then 2C2 plus 12C2 equal to, we get 67. Then 24C2 equal to, we get 276. All these are not in the option. So possible number of hugs from the given numbers, given option, which is equal to 21. Option C, 21.